Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you where to find the fuse guys for the rear right window switch. Let's say the rear right window switch does not work on your Hyundai Sonata generation 2009 all the way to 2015. We'll explain guys where you can find that fuse. Some years and models may differ, but it should work on most of those. Now, you actually guys have two fuses. Make sure you stay until the end. One of them is very hidden. Before we start, let me tell you, if you need to buy any fuses, parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience guys. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. And on this Sonata, we'll probably have even more guys. We have at least 200 electrical videos and about 300 mechanical videos. Now, you can expect guys to have all the electrical videos on this channel that we are making the video right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. But the mechanical videos taking the car apart, the engine and everything will be on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. Please check it out. We'll have so much information that can guys practically save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So with the hood open, we need to come to this fuse box first on the front. This is the fuse box, okay, right here. Now we have one tab right here that we need to press this way. There is one here, it goes this way. Squish both, okay, and pull it out. Perfect, just go up. Now right here guys, okay, let's explain what we have specifically here. We need to get that fuse puller, okay, perfect, just like that. After that, we need to go guys inside, okay, and I'm talking about the rear window switch, okay, on the rear right door, okay, the one right there. So you need to come inside, okay, right here, come inside. This is your fuse box, right, okay, right here. Open that cap. That's what we'll be looking. And now I need to get something red to point with, okay, so I can actually show you where all the fuses are located. One of them is here and the other one is hidden guys. So now the fuse that we actually need, okay, for that window, okay, if you look at it that way, let me show you exactly where it's located now. Okay, if you look at it guys, okay, this way, let me show you now. Okay, perfect, this is the fuse box and we start counting here. Okay, you need to come to the second row from left to right. You're going to count 1 2 3 4 5. Fifth fuse, 25 amp fuse, okay, right here. That's the fuse that we need to actually check guys. That's the fuse, 25 amp. So what I'm going to do now, okay, I'll go ahead, grab the puller, put it on top of the fuse and pull it out. Okay, and this is the fuse. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, okay, I'll show you guys where you can get some for a really good price, and they come with a free fuse puller and all that stuff, enormous amount of fuses as well for the price of just buying 2 or 3 fuses. So definitely guys, I'll put the link for your convenience. This is the fuse now. If that fuse is good, how you find out if it's good? Okay, you look on the inside, okay, make sure the element is good and it's not broken. Sometimes it's hard to tell if it's burned, so we have a special video that explains if a fuse is burned. So I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and know for sure if it's a good or a bad fuse. After that, just go ahead, okay, insert it. Now we have another fuse that we actually need to locate, and it's actually under the hood, the second one guys. So let's go ahead, do that now and show you, okay, where it's located. Oh, I got my camera. So now the next one is called B+3. If you look at the fuse box, you have that long fuse right here, that long fuse. It consists of 8 individual fuses. So if you check, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, I think. The second fuse from left to right, 1 2, this one here is 60 amp. You can usually see if that fuse is good or bad by looking through the window. If it's good guys, okay, it will be one continuous element. If it's bad, it will be burned. Sometimes it's hard to see and test them. What you need to do in that case, disconnect the car battery. Okay, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first, because if you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the engine, computer, electrical system. We've done something like that and it cost us $2,000 guys. So try to do it the right way. I'll put a link to a video that explains how to actually properly connect and disconnect car battery. Once you do that, remove that nut here, okay, here you have one tooth holding that fuse. You can pull it up, and with a voltmeter testing for connection, you're going to test the one LED right here, the other LED on the fuse that's coming. Okay, the second fuse from right to left, and see if it has connection. It's a good fuse. If it's bad, you will have no communication. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having problems with the rear right window switch. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.